You said you have a special exemption to speed whenever you want. Clearly, you don't know the law. You need to go back to your little school, buddy.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On Halloween in 2022, Mr. Crew was driving to work and found himself behind Officer Cole Montez of the Michigan State Police. During that time, Officer Montez was observed committing a series of traffic infractions, including crossing the lanes of oncoming traffic, driving through the double yellows, speeding, and more speeding. So much speeding that the officer had now put a total of 31 seconds between their vehicles. A few moments pass, and Mr. Crew catches up to Officer Montez as he signals a right turn and slows down. But as Mr. Crew changes lanes and passes him, the officer pulls back into traffic and initiates a traffic stop.
You not fucking look what you're doing or what? Jesus. Idiot.
Now pulled over to the side of the road, Officer Montez approaches Mr. Crew's vehicle.
Roll this window down for me. This one right here. Roll that one down for me. So I can see in the back. It's tinted, sir. So if there's not somebody in the back with a shotgun pointing at my face.
What do you mean?
What do I need?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm stopping you for a couple reasons, okay? So when you were behind me, you didn't use your signal to change lanes.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I got it on Dashcam. I got you on Dashcam going over 75 down this road
That's
right
great.
here.
Yeah, and you're right behind me doing about 72.
You're not allowed to speed, just like I'm not allowed to speed.
I'm exempt from speed.
No, you're not. Only in emergency circumstances. I actually know that law.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Can I have your license?
No lights, no emergency, no speeding. That's how that works.
Okay. Where'd you get your law degree at, man?
Where'd you get yours? Because clearly you don't know it.
I don't have a law degree.
Sure.
Where do you have it to?
Going to work.
Okay, you still living on Stone?
Yep.
All right. Anything in the car?
Nope.
You don't carry a pistol at all?
A what?
A pistol? You don't carry any weapons? Okie dokie. Grab bag with you.
Mr. Crew has every right to be upset, as his dashcam shows he used his signal, and that there was no possible way that Officer Montez could have been pacing him, which is why it is so important to have a dashcam running at all times. For my recommendations, check out the links in the description. Officer Montez spends about 5 minutes writing out his citation, and then returns to Mr. Crew.
Where's your ID back? Here's your ticket. Let me write you for 10 over.
Look at that, because your radar wasn't on. And
Well, I didn't do it with radar. I paced you.
And I'll be talking to your supervisor about you speeding, see what he has to think
Great.
about that. Now go ahead and clarify for me. You said you have a special exemption to speed whenever you want.
Can you get that ticket so I can explain it to you?
No, I don't need to explain to me.
Like that.
Because I don't need you to explain anything to me, because clearly you don't know the law. You need to go back to your little school, buddy. Get a couple more weeks in and get a refresher course, because this is bull.
Yep, you got 14 days to take care of that, okay?
I got 14 days to take care of support. Got you. See you there.
Great, see ya.
After the stop, it appears Officer Montez spent nearly an hour running Mr. Crew through their database. None of the officer's other traffic stops were studied with such vigor. Mr. Crew contested the ticket, and the prosecutor offered a quite lovely deal of 0 to 5 miles over instead of the 10 to 15 miles per hour over that Officer Montez had cited him for. Despite having video evidence to prove he wasn't speeding, the deal would prevent his license from being hit by a 5-point penalty. Keep in mind that fleeing or eluding an officer, DUIs, and negligent homicide is only a 6-point penalty, and that is why most people plead out and take a lesser charge, even when they are innocent. But Mr. Crew didn't, and upon refusing the deal, another prosecutor was attached to the case. The Michigan State Police then dragged their heels on releasing the body cam and dashcam footage, and despite being told that the dashcam footage would have GPS info on it to help determine his own and the trooper's speed, Mr. Crew alleges that it appears cropped to omit the information. Once it was reviewed, the prosecutor declined the case, dismissing the citation. Mr. Crew has submitted supplementary records requests, but at the time of writing this, he has not heard back from the department. He has also filed a complaint against the officer. But before you go, I want to stress that you film all of your interactions with law enforcement and other government officials. I get multiple messages a day from viewers alleging police misconduct, but often, because they weren't recording, it's their word alone against the officer's testimony. I have a list of dash cams linked in the description, costing between high and low based on your needs. Most of them are plug and play and easy to set up on your own, but if you can't get one, use your phone. Not only is it your right to record these interactions, but your video may be your only evidence. Be sure to head over to Cataclysm to let Mr. Crew know I sent you. He should be posting updates on this fairly soon. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.